Greetings, followers. This is another interesting question, especially students who are on their way to sit GABECE or GABEC exams or NAT exams. That is the junior level. This is a two-set problem. Two-set problem is specifically mainly for junior levels. Now, a survey of the reading habits of 100 students shown that 30 read both comics and novels, 10 read neither comics nor novels, and twice as many students read comics as read novels. This is an interesting question. Now, they say how many students read comics only? How many students read only comics? Roman figure 2, how many students read comics? So let's solve this out. Solution. Remember, there are how many total number of students? 100. They say a survey of the reading habits of 100 students. That is, we let U be equals to what? Number of students. That is the total number of students. Number of students, yes. Let's say it is the total number of students. That is N union is equals to number of the students we have is 100 students. Now again, as you are reading, you interpret it, yes. Shown that 30 read both comics and novels. 30 read both comics and novels. I see. That is number of, let's say C represent number of students who read comics. Yes, let's do it. And then N represent number of students who read novels. Yes, let's do that. This C represent number of students who read comics. This N represent number of students who read novels. Now they say 30 read both. I see. That is number of C intersection border intersection N give us 30. I see. Now they said 10 read neither comics nor novels. I see. 10 read neither comics nor, that is means none of them read comics or novel. I see. None of them read both the two subjects. None of them read both the two subjects. That is number of C union N all complement. That is the fourth region. All complement give us 10. That is number of C union N all complement is 10. That is none of them read both the two subjects. I see. Now they say and twice as many students read comics as read novels. These things, I know the mistake that they will do. This twice as much students read comics. That means twice number of students read comics than novels. I don't know whether you get this point. Twice as many students read novels than comics. Sorry, read comics than novels. Twice as many students read comics than novels. So this is the same thing. Twice as many students read comics as read novels. It's still the same thing. I think. Now, Now we say twice as many students read novels. Let's let X be the number of students who read novels. Number of students who read novels. I see. Now, number of students who read comics will be twice, that is 2 times the number of students who reads novels. That is twice number of students who read novels. We said we let number of students who read novels be X. I see. So now number of students who read comics will be twice the number of students who read novels. That is 2 times X. That gives us 2X. I see. Now the question asks us how many students read comics only. I see. Now let's try and figure out a Venn diagram. Let's figure out a Venn diagram. We illustrate a Venn diagram. This is data collection, a Venn diagram. I see. Let's say our number of n, which is total number of students, is 100. I see. This is our n, and this is our c. We say this is our, let's say this is number of students who read comics, and this is number of students who read novels. So both of them, how many of them read? Number of C intersection U, that is both, that is 30 read both, 30 read both. 30 read both. Now, how many students reads only comments? Only comments will be 2x minus 30. 2x minus 30. I see. Now, what if number of students? Remember, number of students who read comics is this. But how many number of students read only comics will be 2x minus 30 minus the intersection. I see. Now, number of students who read novels, not only but novels, is what x. I see. But now, how many students read only novels will be x minus the intersection, which is 30. I see. But they said number of students who read neither novels, neither comics, non-novels is 30. Is 10. That is the fourth region. Is 10. Now this is the Venn diagram of it. Now, Roman figure 1 says what? How many students read only comics? Only comics. I see. Number of students who read only comics, that is this portion here. That is, let's say this is our first region, this is our second region, third region, and fourth region. This is our first region, second region, third region, and fourth region. Now the number of students who read only comics, that is this 2x minus 30. That is this, I see. But we don't find x, we need to find the number of students who read only novels. Who read novels. That is by adding the first region, second region, third region, and fourth region equated to the total number of students. I see. We said number of U, that is the total number of students, is equals to the first region plus the second region plus the third region and the fourth region. Number of students are what? They are hundreds. I see. Which is equals to the first region, which is 2x minus 30, plus the second region, which is 30, I see, plus the third region, that will be 30 minus x, plus the third region, which is 30x minus 30, plus the fourth region, which is 10. I see. Now we said 100 is equals to, we collect like terms, these 2x and this x, they are like terms. Negative 30 plus 30 minus 30, they are plus 10, they are also like terms, I think. So we can arrange it in order. This is 2x plus x, I see, plus x minus 30 plus 30 minus 30 plus 10, I see. So we now say 100 is equals to 2x plus x give us 3x, I see. So this minus 30 can cancel this plus 30, give us 0. Minus 30 plus 30 is 0. Now we said minus 30 plus 10. I see. So we say 100 is equals to 3x minus 30 plus 10 give us minus 20. That is, we subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. I see. The big sign of the bigger number here is minus. So we are going to subtract 30 minus 10. That gives us 20. So it's going to be minus 20. I see. We said 100 minus, sorry, it's 100. We now transpose this negative 20 to the other side. We do not do plus 20 is equals to 3x. I see. This negative 20 it has now transposed to the other side. 100 plus 20 give us 120 is equals to 3x. This is 3x. We divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. This 3 can cancel this 3. We said x is equals to 3 into itself 1. Into 1 cannot, into 12. We have 4 times. I see. Into 0, 0. So we have 3. 120 divided by 3 give us 40. So we said number of students who studied or who reads novels are 40. They are 40 in number. I see. Now to find how many students read only comments, we say only comments is equals to, that is 2x minus 30. I see. This will give us 2x. X is what? 40. That is 2 times 40 minus 30. 2 times 40, that gives us 80 minus 30. 80 minus 30 gives us 50. So we now have 50 students read only comics. I see. But we also have another question here, which asks, so that is Roman figure 2. It says how many students read comics. This time around, not comics only, but comics. Remember, comics only is 50. That will be the first region, I think. Now they say how many students read comics now. Let's find it out. Now remember, number of students who read comics. Number of students who read comics, we said, is 2x. That is twice that of the number of students who read novels. I see. Now we say number of students, that is Roman figure 2. Number of students who read comics, that will be twice that will be number of students who read novels. We say 2 times x. This is 2x. 2x means 2 times x. So it's going to be 2 times x. What is our x? Is 40. I see. 2 times 40 gives us 80. So therefore, 80 students read comics. Not comics only, but comics. I see. So comics only is 50. I see. Number of students who read comics will be what? 2x. That is 2 times 40. That gives us 80. They are quite different. I see. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and learn more videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Jamb, and then like my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice the